Imagine pouring fresh engine oil into your car, starting the engine, and believing you just protected your engine for thousands of miles. But what if that oil actually accelerates engine wear instead of preventing it? In recent years, several independent lab tests and tear-down inspections have revealed something surprising. Some engine oils that claim to protect engines can actually lead to increased wear under certain conditions. Not immediately, not dramatically, but slowly, silently, over thousands of miles. By the time drivers notice something wrong, the damage may already be done. And the repair bill? Sometimes $4,000, $6,000, even $10,000 for a complete engine rebuild. Today we're going to break down a real engine oil test that revealed unexpected wear patterns and why certain oils can create serious problems inside modern engines. Stay until the end, because the final discovery explains why some perfectly legal engine oils still damage engines in real-world driving. Why engine oil matters more than most drivers think. Engine oil performs several critical tasks. Most people think oil simply lubricates moving parts, but it does far more than that. Engine oil must reduce friction between metal surfaces, carry heat away from internal components, suspend contaminants like soot and carbon, prevent corrosion, maintain stable viscosity across temperature changes. Modern engines rely heavily on the chemical stability of engine oil. When that oil begins to break down, protection disappears quickly, and the result is microscopic wear that slowly destroys critical components. Section 1. The engine oil test setup. To understand how oil performance varies, several automotive labs conduct controlled engine oil testing. These tests often measure viscosity stability, wear metal concentration, oxidation levels, additive depletion. In one extended test, technicians ran identical engines using different oils under similar driving conditions. Oil samples were analyzed at intervals using used oil analysis, a laboratory technique that detects microscopic metal particles inside the oil. These particles indicate wear from components like piston rings, bearings, camshafts. Even when the engine sounds normal, oil analysis can reveal early wear long before a failure occurs. The surprising wear pattern. During the early stages of testing, most oils performed similarly. Wear metal levels remained relatively low. But after several thousand miles, one oil began showing an unusual pattern. Iron levels, often associated with cylinder wear, began increasing faster than expected. At first, the change seemed minor, but by the end of the test interval, iron concentrations were significantly higher compared with the other oils. This indicated increased friction inside the engine. The oil was still lubricating the engine, but not as effectively as the others. What happens when oil film weakens? Engines depend on a thin protective oil film separating metal components. When that film weakens, metal surfaces begin touching at microscopic levels. This condition is called boundary lubrication. It's where engine wear accelerates. Without a strong oil film, parts like camshaft lobes, crankshaft bearings, piston skirts experience higher friction. That friction generates additional heat and wear particles. Over time, this leads to reduced compression, increased oil consumption, noisy valve train components, and eventually expensive engine repairs. Engine oil isn't just base oil. It also contains chemical additives designed to improve performance. These additives include anti-wear agents, detergents, dispersants, viscosity modifiers. One of the most important anti-wear additives is ZDDP. This compound forms a protective layer on metal surfaces during high-pressure contact. However, modern emissions regulations have reduced ZDDP levels in some oils. Lower ZDDP levels help protect catalytic converters, but they can also reduce anti-wear protection in certain engines. This trade-off has been widely discussed among engine engineers. Another factor affecting engine wear is oil viscosity. Modern engines often specify very thin oils, such as 0W20. These oils improve fuel efficiency and reduce internal drag. But thinner oils also create thinner protective films. In most engines, this is still sufficient for protection. However, under certain conditions, such as high temperatures or heavy loads, the thinner film may offer less protection than slightly thicker oils. This doesn't mean thin oils are automatically bad, but it highlights how engine design and oil chemistry must work together. Section 2. Real-world driving versus laboratory testing. One of the biggest differences between oil tests and real-world driving is operating conditions. Laboratory tests often assume controlled temperatures and steady loads. Real driving conditions include cold starts, stop-and-go traffic, short trips, high temperatures. These factors accelerate oil degradation. For example, repeated short trips can cause fuel dilution, where unburned fuel enters the engine oil. Fuel dilution reduces viscosity and weakens lubrication. When this occurs, even high-quality oil may struggle to maintain a strong protective film. The oil breakdown problem. Over time, engine oil slowly degrades. Heat, pressure, and contamination gradually break down the oil's chemical structure. When oil begins degrading, three major things happen. Viscosity changes. Additives become depleted. Oxidation increases. During the test, the problematic oil showed signs of accelerated oxidation. Oxidation occurs when oil reacts with oxygen under high temperature. This process thickens the oil and creates sludge-like compounds. These compounds reduce oil flow and weaken lubrication. Oil analysis showed the oxidation rate rising much faster compared with the other oils tested. This indicated the oil was losing its protective properties sooner than expected. The camshaft wear discovery. After completing the oil test interval, engineers disassembled the test engines. They focused closely on several critical components: camshafts, piston rings, crankshaft bearings, cylinder walls. One component showed the most noticeable wear differences: the camshaft lobes. Camshafts experience extremely high pressure where they contact the valve lifters. This contact point relies heavily on strong oil film protection. In the engine using the weaker oil, technicians found slightly increased polishing and scoring on several cam lobes. The wear was not catastrophic, but it was measurable, and over tens of thousands of miles. This type of wear could eventually lead to valve train problems. Section 3. The role of heat stability. Another factor that affected oil performance was thermal stability. Modern engines run hotter than older engines. Turbochargers, tighter tolerances, and emission systems all increase operating temperatures. High temperatures accelerate oil breakdown. Some oils maintain their viscosity and additive strength better under heat stress. Others degrade faster. In the test results, the weaker oil appeared to lose stability sooner under sustained high temperatures. This caused the protective oil film to thin earlier in the test cycle. The fuel dilution factor. Fuel dilution also played a role in the oil test. Fuel dilution occurs when small amounts of gasoline enter the engine oil. This commonly happens in direct injection engines, vehicles used for short trips, cold start heavy driving. When gasoline mixes with engine oil, it reduces the oil's viscosity. Thinner oil provides less protective film strength. During the test, all oils experienced some fuel dilution, but the weaker oil appeared more sensitive to viscosity reduction. This contributed to the higher wear readings. Section 4. Why engines don't fail immediately. At this point, you might be wondering something. If the oil caused higher wear, why didn't the engine fail? The answer is simple. Engine wear is usually slow and cumulative. A single oil change rarely destroys an engine, but repeated use of oil that offers weaker protection can accelerate wear gradually. Over years of driving, this small difference adds up. The engine may begin to show signs like increased oil consumption, reduced compression, noisy valve components. Drivers often assume these problems come from age, but lubrication quality plays a major role. Section 5. What mechanics often notice first. Professional mechanics frequently notice oil-related issues during routine service. Common signs include heavy sludge under the valve cover, burnt oil smell, dark deposits inside the engine. These signs indicate oil breakdown and contamination. Engines maintained with higher quality oils and proper intervals usually show much cleaner internal components. Cleaner engines experience less friction and longer component life. Section 6. The oil change interval mistake. One of the most common habits that accelerates engine wear is stretching oil change intervals too far. Modern vehicles sometimes advertise oil change intervals of 10,000 miles, 12,000 miles, even 15,000 miles. These intervals assume near-perfect driving conditions, but most real-world driving involves short trips, cold starts, heavy traffic, frequent idling. These conditions accelerate oil contamination. Fuel dilution, moisture, and soot slowly degrade the oil. Used oil analysis often shows that oil begins losing protective strength well before extreme intervals. Many technicians find that engines maintained with moderate oil intervals stay significantly cleaner internally. The silent problem: low oil level. Another lubrication issue appears more often than people realize. Low oil level. Many modern engines naturally consume small amounts of oil between changes. This can happen due to thin piston rings, turbocharger heat, normal engine wear. Manufacturers often state that some oil consumption is normal, but drivers rarely check the oil level. If oil drops too low, the oil pump may begin pulling air along with oil. This reduces lubrication pressure. Without proper lubrication, bearings and camshafts wear rapidly. Repairing severe bearing damage can cost $4,000 to $8,000 or more. Yet the prevention takes only seconds. Checking the oil level with the dipstick every few weeks is one of the simplest ways to protect an engine. Section 7. The cold engine habit that increases wear. Another factor affecting lubrication is cold start behavior. Engine oil flows much slower when cold. During the first moments after startup, oil pressure rises quickly, but oil temperature remains low. Cold oil does not flow as easily into tight engine clearances. Aggressive driving immediately after startup places heavy loads on engine components before lubrication stabilizes. This can cause increased wear on piston rings, camshafts, bearings. Allowing the engine to run briefly and driving gently during the first few minutes helps oil circulate properly. This simple habit significantly reduces cold start wear. Section 8. Why oil filters matter. Engine oil filters are another critical component of lubrication. Their job is to remove contaminants from circulating oil. Over time, oil collects particles from combustion byproducts, metal wear, carbon deposits. A high-quality oil filter captures these particles before they circulate through the engine again. Cheap filters may use lower-quality filter media. This can reduce filtration efficiency. Contaminants left in the oil accelerate internal wear. Although oil filters are relatively inexpensive, they play a major role in long-term engine protection. The relationship between oil and engine longevity. When engineers analyze engines that last 300,000 miles or more, they often notice similar maintenance patterns. These engines typically receive regular oil changes, consistent oil level checks, quality oil filters, reasonable driving habits. Clean oil keeps internal components protected. It also prevents sludge buildup that can restrict oil passages. Once oil passages become blocked, lubrication to critical areas decreases dramatically. This is why lubrication maintenance is considered the foundation of engine longevity. Section 9. The real lesson from the oil test. The oil test revealed increased wear with one oil formulation. But the broader lesson was even more important. Even the best oil cannot protect an engine if it is used far beyond its service life. Allowed to run at low levels, contaminated with fuel or debris. Conversely, many engines survive hundreds of thousands of miles with ordinary oil simply because the oil is maintained properly. Consistency matters more than brand loyalty. The warning signs. Drivers should never ignore. Engines often give early warning signs when lubrication problems begin. These signs include ticking or tapping noises from the valve train, increased oil consumption, dark, burnt-smelling oil, low oil pressure warnings. Ignoring these signals allows wear to accelerate. Addressing them early often prevents major repairs. A simple oil change or leak repair can sometimes prevent thousands of dollars in engine damage. Engine oil is one of the most important fluids in any vehicle. It operates under extreme conditions, protecting metal components moving thousands of times per minute. The oil test showed that not all oils perform exactly the same, but it also showed something more powerful. Engines that receive consistent oil maintenance almost always last longer. Clean oil, correct oil level, reasonable oil, change intervals. These simple habits protect engines far more effectively than chasing marketing claims.